This video is about a report that's uncovered a woeful lack of safe accommodation facilities across England, resulting in more than 10,000 women escaping domestic abuse being refused help and left in dangerous situations. The Domestic Abuse Safe Accommodation National Expert Steering Group published their first progress report under the Domestic Abuse Act of 2021, and the results are concerning. Almost 8,000 households were refused support because there was no capacity, and a further 3,000 were denied places because the shelter could not meet the needs of the household, most likely due to mental health issues, drug and alcohol use, or disability. With 97% of the adults who were able to secure safe housing being women, it is clear that the victims of this unacceptable situation are overwhelmingly female. Nicole Jacobs, the Domestic Abuse Commissioner for England and Wales, said that it was now vital that service capacity is strengthened, but there is still much more work to be done, and not just in providing more safe accommodation. Access to specialist support, particularly for ethnic minority, disabled, LGBTQ+, male domestic abuse, and those needing mental health or drug and alcohol support, should also be taken into account. The government has committed a total of £507 million to councils across England between April 2021 and March 2023 to provide support services including counselling, therapy, children and advocacy support to access healthcare, social workers and benefits, but there is no doubt that this must increase even further in order to tackle this problem. Sophie Francis Cansfield, Public Affairs Manager at Women's Aid, reiterated this point and highlighted the lack of funding for services such as counselling, resettlement advice, and services for children. These services are essential for victims of domestic abuse, and the government needs to put more money into them in order to ensure these people are able to access the help they need and deserve. This report has revealed the hidden reality of domestic abuse in England, and it is by no means an easy problem to solve. However, with support from the government, local councils and other services, it must be possible to ensure that all women and other affected groups can find safe accommodation and access the services they need to live a safe and happy life.